Welcome to my current makeup station. I'm doing it in here because one, the window, natural light, and two, I don't have a chair in my bathroom yet and I like to sit down while I do my makeup. I guess one could call my makeup station a hot mess. Do you want to know what I call a hot mess? This sleeping situation. This sleeping situation, it's gotta go. Backstory, 12 months ago, we moved into my mom's house while we were building this house, and we're sleeping on her mattress. Also back history, Joel was in a car accident, has a really bad back, so he's very picky about mattresses. So Joel says to me, I need you to find out what mattress this is because this is the mattress I want in our new house for us because I love it. My back doesn't hurt. And keep in mind, this is after like 4 months, 5 months, 6 months of sleeping on this mattress. So I go over to my mom's bed. I pull up the mattress cover and it was a Lowell mattress. So I go to DM them. I see a DM from them. And I was like, do you wanna? And they were like, do you wanna? And the next thing you know, we are all in Lowell mattress heaven. Can you hear that? Not the four-wheeler outside, but the air slowly starting to come into this now that I took off the first outer layer of plastic. But Bonnie, you've been in your home for like a month. How come your bed isn't put together and you've been sleeping on a mattress protector and the duvet without the duvet cover? Well, the answer is because I've been busy. Okay, that looks wonderful. Doesn't that look better? On the Lowell website, they have 3 tiers of this mattress. Normally, I'm always going to choose the top one, the highest one. However, my experience was with the baseline model. This is what my mom had. It was so perfect that that's what we went with. It's the most budget friendly on the website and it is grade A, just absolutely comfortable and perfect. Since I slept on my mom's for a year, I already know that I do not need to return this. However, if you want to try a mattress out and it just doesn't suit you, you have 365 days as a trial to sleep on it. Plus it has a lifetime warranty. But if it doesn't work out for you, then they have really easy returns. Thank you, Lowell, for sponsoring this video. We already love sleeping on our mattress. If you guys want to check them out, I'll put them in the description for you. No lie, Joel has been asking me to get our bed put together for quite a while. So checklist off of my to-do list for Joel. He's outside working in the freezing bitter cold getting the shop up and his friend James is out there helping him. And I thought about inviting him over for dinner, but we have plans tonight. So what I'm going to do is make a hot soup and give James some hot soup to take home. And then that way Joel can come in and have some hot soup as well. So now I just need to make my list before I go to the grocery store. I know I have carrots and I know I have celery. So funny story, I went into town today, got all the things that I needed for my soup that I'm making, and and I pull up in the lane, you know, to check out, and there's several carts in front of me and a guy behind me, and I hear a lady say, it was really quiet, but she, you know, the gist of what I heard was, come on over here, and I can check you out over here, is what I heard. That's important to the story. So I said, oh, sure. And so I moved my cart to go over there, and the guy behind me went right in front of me into this lady's line. And my instinct was to be like, what the heck? Like, what were you thinking? And I told myself, it's not a big deal. Don't worry about it. It's fine. If he got in front of you, he needed to be in front of you. That's fine. And then I thought, well, it'll be faster for me to go back to my original line because they're almost done. His cart's bigger. And so I was like having this weird debate in my mind, and I told myself, I said, just be patient, wait in line, and it's fine. You don't need to go over to the other line. You don't need to do any of that. which is also important to this story. So the guy leaves, I'm next in line, and the cashier asks me what I'm making for dinner. I told her what my plans were, told her who I was making it for, and she said, well, it must be fun to cook in that new big kitchen. And then it dawned on me. It made me realize what she said earlier was, Bonnie, I can help you in this line. And so when she said, oh, cooking in your new kitchen, I immediately knew she was a viewer, but I said, oh, did you say my name? And she said, yes, do you remember me? So she started to remind me who she was. She said, do you remember when you were pregnant with Lincoln? I was at the grocery store, she was at the grocery store, and Jared Meekum was at the grocery store, and apparently Jared came right up behind me and just scared the heck out of me. And he was filming while she was standing like right in the same vicinity as us. And as she was first telling me, I couldn't remember. I was like, what are you talking about? And then it dawned on me. I was like, oh yes, how could I forget that? I screamed so loud in the middle of the store. That was her. That was her that was in the store with us. So we kind of laughed about that. That was really fun for me to get to say hi to a viewer that I met years ago. I mean, that was like 9 years ago when I saw her. And it's funny, once I recognized and knew where I knew her from, I could see her face as if it was that same day. That was kind of fun. And it made me really happy that I listened to my gut instinct of just being patient and being nice. Because wouldn't that have been sad if I went to a different line? That would have been so sad. So that kind of made my day, and now I'm at home thinking about that viewer. I have to show you the end result. So this is the soup. It's anti-inflammatory. It's high in good nutrients. It's just a really good, yummy soup. Well, I was gonna push the dishes to the side, but you know what? They're clean. It's fine. I've got a loaf of bread. I have a jar. And let's see. So as I dish this up, I'm going to put a towel underneath. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna close the vlog. Okay, I gotta think of how many people this is gonna feed. So 2 good scoopfuls per person, at least. Oh, I lost track. All right, well, we'll just fill her up, okay? I think that was 4. I have no idea. Okay, this is perfect. Ooh, it's hot. Doesn't that look good? Oh, I'm like thrilled. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you later. Bye.